Let's go.
Hello, good people. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching Mikali Global TV from. Today we are back with another interesting video. So, something else for your cooking here. We have makaa. Kwa Kiswahili we call it makaa ya kupikia. Sometimes you don't want to use your gas, maybe to boil beans, maize or nini zingine nduma zinaitwa nini, yams. Yes, so this one is called dohol in Somali, dohol, and they package it in smaller pieces like this, which is a bit affordable if you don't want to buy the full sack. So this one goes for 13,000 Somaliland shillings. That is around $1.50, I think, almost $2. So the full sack here is 150,000 Somaliland shillings, and they told us is $15. So $15 or 150,000 Somali. They are doing the conversions at 10,000. No, they are doing theirs at 10,000. Yes. So if it is 150,000, it means they are doing it at 10,000. That's why they are selling it at $15. So maybe the price can also range in different places. You can get it if you negotiate, that is maybe at 145 or 140. Yeah. So we use this when we want to boil our grains, any hard stuff that we don't use gas. Inaitwa dohol. Dohol, yes, yes. Dohol. Yes, dohol. I don't know how to pronounce it well. So but now you say Karibu Somaliland. So thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, for watching. This is Mikali Global TV.